Body movement. Living organisms show many different types of movement. Some of these animal movement are walking, running, flying, jumping, creeping, crawling, slithering, and swimming. Bones are a hard structure inside our body that can't bend. Joints. Joints are places where two or more bones meet. We can bend or move our body parts that have joint in them. Different types of joints. Ball and socket joint. In this joint, the rounded end of a bone fixed into cavity or hollow space of another bone. It allows movement in all directions. For example, joint in shoulder. Hinge joint. It allows movement in one direction only, back and forth movement. For example, our elbow consists of a hinge joint. Pivotal joint. It consists of cylindrical bone that rotates in ring. It allows movement in forward, backward, left and right directions. The joint between our head and neck is a pivotal joint. Fixed joint. The joint in which the bones cannot move are called fixed joint. For example, the joint between skull bones are fixed joint. Skeleton. Skeleton is a framework formed by bones and cartilage. Function of skeleton. 1. It gives the shape of our body. 2. It protects the internal organs of our body such as brain, heart, lungs, etc. 3. It helps in movement of body parts with the help of muscles. Cartilage, a tough white tissue that forms part of skeleton of human beings and other animals, is called cartilage. It is not as hard as bone and found in ears, nose and joints. X-ray, an image of the internal structure of body made with high energy rays, is called X-ray. X-ray shows the shape of bones in our body. Skull. The bony part of our head is called skull. It is made up of 22 bones. The bones of skull form a strong case around the brain is called cranium. Function of skull. 1. It protects the brain. 2. It protects the sense organs such as eyes, nose and ears. 3. It gives shape of our head. Backbone. Backbone is a long, hollow rod-like structure running from neck to hips inside the body. 1. It is made up of 33 bones. 2. Each bone is known as vertebrate. 3. It is also known as vertebral column and spine bone. Functions. 1. It provides the main support to the body. 2. It supports head at its top. 3. It protects the spine cord. Rib cage. The bone present in chest region is called ribs. There are 12 pairs of ribs. 7 pairs true ribs, 3 pair false rib, 2 pair floating ribs. 1. At the front of this region, small bone is present known as sternum. 2. Hollow bony structure formed by the ribs is called rib cage. Function. It protects the delicate organs such as lungs and heart. 2. It helps in breathing movement. Shoulder bone. Shoulders are that part of body to which our arms are attached. It consists of two bones, collarbone, clavicle and shoulder bone, scapula. Function. It provides sits for muscle attachment which move the arms, necks and upper part of our body. Bones of hand. It is made up of three parts: wrist, palm and fingers. The wrist consists of 8 bones called carpals. 2. The palm of hand consists of 5 bones called metacarpals. 3. The fingers are made of joints. Bones are called phalanges. Muscle contraction moves bones at joints. Muscle is fibrous tissue in the body that has ability to contract. When a muscle contracts, it shortens, becomes small. Muscle are attached to bones of our skeleton through strong fibers called tendons. Working. Muscles works in pair. When one of them contracts, the bone is pulled in that direction. The other muscle of the pair relaxes. To move the bone in opposite direction, the relaxed muscle contracts to pull the bone towards it, the original position, while the first relaxes. Thus, two muscles have to work together to move a bone. Body movement. Movement in earthworm. Invertebrate. Vertebrate. The animals which has backbone are called vertebrates. Example: all animals, birds and reptiles are vertebrates. Invertebrate. The animals which do not have backbone is called non-vertebrate or invertebrate. Example: insects, earthworms, etc. Earthworm. No skeleton. Liquid skeleton. Movement of earthworm. The body of an earthworm is made up of many rings joined. An earthworm does not have bone. It has muscles which help to extend and shorten the body. During movement, the earthworm fixes ends, extends and front part of the body, keeping the back position fixed to the ground. Then it fixes the front part and releases the rear end. It then shortens the body and pulls the rear and forward. This makes it move forward by a small distance. Due to such muscle expansion and contraction, the earthworm can move through soil. Its body secretes a slimy substance. Movement of cockroach. The cockroach body and legs have hard covering forming an outer skeleton. The muscles of breast connected with three pairs of legs and two pairs of wings help the cockroach to walk and fly. Movement of bird. The bird can fly because their bodies are well suited for flying. Their bones are hollow and light. The bones hind limbs are typical for walking and perching. The body parts, the forelimbs are modified as wings. The shoulder bones are strong. The beast bones are modified to hold muscles for flight, which is used for moving the wing up and down. Movement of fish. The head and tail of fish are smaller than the middle portion of the body. The body tapers at the both end. This body shapes is called streamlined. 2. It allows the fish to move in water. The skeleton of fish is covered with strong muscles. During swimming, muscles make the front part of the body curve to one side of and the tail part swing toward the opposite side. This makes jerk and push the body forward. Movement of snake. Snake have a long backbone. They have many thin muscles. They are connected to each other. The snake body curves into many loops. Each loop of snake gives a forward push by pressing against the ground. Exercise. Question number 1. Which of the skull bone are movable? Answer. In skull, lower jaw is movable. Question number 2. Why can our elbows not move backward? Our elbows can't move backward because it has hinge joint. that allows only angular movement in one direction only. Question number 3. How many types of joint are there in our body? Answer. There are 4 types of joint in our body. Example: 1. Hinge joint, 2. Ball and socket joint, 3. Fixed joint, 4. Pivotal joint. Fill in the blanks. A. A joint of the bone helps in the movement of body. B. A combination of bones and cartilage form the skeleton of the body. C. The bones at elbows are joined by a hinge joint. D. The contraction of the muscles pull the bones during movement. True or false? A. The movement and locomotion of all animals is exactly the same. False. B. The cartilage are harder than bones. False. C. The finger bones do not have bones. False. D. The forearms has 2 bones. True. E. Cockroach have an outer skeleton. True. Question number 6. Who discovered X-ray? Answer. X-ray was discovered in 1895 by William Conrad Roentgen.